Hello.
Hello.
John, I can see you. The next. Yeah. To save your data, you can either disable your your audio and your video. Then you just be listening. When you want to talk, you can enable your audio and you talk, then you switch off. That will also help you in saving your data. Very clear? No. All right. I see quite a good number then. All right, that's good. That's good. That's good. Right, can we just register our presence? No.
And things like that, like defining the real, I mean, the towards building up the team. Like to her position, was she assembling the team because she was not lower level and so I was asking the question. She was like on a lower level, but she wouldn't be the one assembling the team.
Right, good morning. Are we there?
Yeah, good morning.
Can I go and register so that I can see who is there and who is not
Okay.
enabled? Right. From what I can see, there is IDM. But can you use your name? The IDMQN40. Can you change and use if you are able?
Can I change what?
Use your username, like your name which you use in class, so that we can communicate easily. The IDMN40, if you can, even later. Then I can see Gideon Mshanga. Who's Mshanga? Okay, Mshanga, I don't have any video. Then Ngowani, Jovu. Ngowani. Coming. Okay, I can see you. Next, Galax, can you change your name again? Galax A2Co, can you change your name?
Brendo Nyabaza.
Yeah, can you use that name on your screen so that we can know when we are doing those classes? Then we have Ngoslati Mshango.
Okay, let me try.
Yeah, you can do it later if you can't now. Ngoslati.
Okay.
Ngoslati, where's Ngoslati? I can see you have a video there. Can you see Ngoslati? Okay, yes, you don't have video or audio. That's fine. I can see you are there. Then attend we share more video again. Can we have an audio if possible? Anyway, then we have Silvanos Mugova. That's fine. So this is how we're going to run our classes. There are a lot of capabilities that we have here. And let me just go back to my my documents and check what I can use as an example for our lectures. So I'll be opening the introductory video. Right, I've admitted Nikawaranda, Enias, and Iminati Jovu. Yes, there's also Brighton, Teweleswanda. I've admitted that again. So we have more people coming in. Right, now I will share a slide. So this is how we are going to be seeing the slide. So I'll be switching from slide to my own video. Galax, change your name, Galax. Right.
Okay.
Fine. So now I'm sharing the video. So this will be more like what you'll be seeing in the lecture room if you were on a big screen. So that is the screen. Let's say we are in a class. Then I start my slides. So this will be a simple introduction. I just want you to have a few. So it will go like this. Good morning, everyone, or afternoon, depending on the time. This is TEE1131, Introduction to Computer Engineering and Programming. And this is our first lecture number 1. We have an introduction. And I'm Engineer from Okunda, a lecturer at the National University of Science and Technology, Electronic Engineering Department. That is my picture. Maybe you will see me in the streets and you will greet me. So this I produced in 2017. So on computers, we know that engineers and other people, they rely on computers for a lot of things, not just word processing and the like, but also data analysis and data mining, and so many things that you can do with our computers. So as you can see, we have many uses for computers, and that is a comparison between a computer that was manufactured in 1987 and another one, a Motorola Droid X for 2010. Now you can see that the cost of the computer, which was manufactured in 1987, was $2,000 US. And then the 2010 computer is $199, which is about 10 times reduction in the price. But with the reduction in the price, you can see that the form factor, the size, low. Right. I went a bit far ahead. Let me go back. Right. So I was just presenting on this small comparison where we have an increase of more than 1,000 times increase in CPU size and about 1,000 times increase in memory. Storage, you can see that there's also almost a 1,000. And about the peripherals, the 1987 computer had only a keyboard. And so it didn't even have a mouse, but here you can do a lot of. So these are the improvements that we have in our computer systems as they migrated. The funny thing is that the costs of this computer was far much more than the cost of the later computer. So that is the movement that we normally have in computers. The cheaper computers tending to have more capabilities than those ones. But then how do we look at that? We look at the advances in technology that came in the 19th century to the 20th century. So in the 19th century, they tried to build mechanical computers, and the like. Then we move on to the transistors and ICs, which is the integrated circuits. So you can see that once we came into the integrated circuit technology, then the advances were very, very fast. So that table will show you what happened between 1947 and around 2006. So from there, you can see that when we had 1974, we had 2,300 transistors in our computer. After the first microprocessor-based computer was formed in 1971, there was an increase to about 50 billion transistors on our new computers. But then the size was also decreasing, which means there was also a relative change there. So that is how we'll be running our lectures. So let's go back to what we're doing. So I'm sure you were following the slides, is it? Hello?
Yes, we were.
Yeah. So I won't be that fast anyway, but I just wanted to show you how we will be doing our lectures. So we do that lecture, we do the presentation as if you are in class and you are watching the PowerPoint presentations. Then after that, we close the class. Now I upload the video to our YouTube. Then everything happens like that. Are we clear on that?
Yes, sir.
Right. So unfortunately, when we are now running the live classes, I'll mute everyone, right? Then when I want people to start talking, I'll unmute. Are we clear?
Yes.
Right, because I hear there will be some background sound there. Maybe at home, your young brother would want to see what you are watching. They think it's a movie, but it will be a meme. So that's how we'll be working on that thing. I think it's fine. Do we have any issues before I close this one so that we can share with others? Let me go one by one. Jovu, Morani, any question?
No, nothing.
You're fine. Then what DMQ? You're fine. Okay, Silvanos, I never saw anything on that. Nikawaranda, are you there? Yes, zero.
No questions, sir.
Nati,
No issues, sir.
Brighton.
Morning, sir. I wanted to confirm that we're using the timetable you gave us and
Yes.
for the whole week.
We'll be using the timetable. Like now, you've seen that we've started around 10 and it's almost 12 now. So that's how we'll be running it. Although in the real lectures, I'll be doing most of the talking. Then we go back to the discussions on the next day. Yeah, when we remember, I said the first day we'll do our videos, then the next day we have our discussions. So like now, if it was tomorrow, then people would watch the videos from Wednesday up until Tuesday. If they have questions, take the questions down, then we'll discuss that. Silvanus, any issues? Yeah, okay. Thank you guys for coming. We'll end the class now, then we'll do the same thing like tomorrow. And I'm quite happy that we have, at least I will be having some people in the class. It's a bit difficult to talk alone for more than 2 hours, so I think it's fine. But then I think I'll break the videos into smaller parts so that we can easily share. Andy. Right, thanks a lot. Bye.
Goodbye, sir.